Hello YouTube. Got another unboxing today. Get into this. I might have to set the camera down just because it's hard to do this with one hand. This is why I usually don't open the box on camera. Alright. We got some bubble wrap. ASMR sounds. Looks like some candy of some sort in here. Alright, now here should be, so we got an FCI STW4F. So, I think it opens from the top here. Oh, it goes on the side. Ready? Kind of see what's in there. There it is. Now you probably notice that is why I bought it. Now I feel something on the other side. Let's see what that is. Oh, cool. Alright, so we got some mounting screws and some wire nuts. I've actually been running out of mounting screws, so this is really nice. Looks like it has some bigger screws in it too. So yeah. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put this up and do a test of it.